We're back, fellow knife enthusiasts. Today we'll be talking about the new Ltd knife Kitefin. We have 4 models here to show you today. We'll start off by telling you a little bit about the Kitefin. It's considered a nice EDC. So for those of you that are looking for a gentleman's carry or just a regular everyday carry, this is kind of in your ballpark here. The blades on these are CPM S35VN. They're all spear point blades with a hollow grind. Have a bead blast finish. There are some differences when it comes to the handles. The handles on the first 3 are titanium. Obviously some of them are anodized. And this one here is carbon fiber. The weight of these knives are about 2.3 ounces. We'll bring one up here and show you. Get you a close-up for you. You know what, that's the gray one. Let's put it back. Let's pull up the black one. They are frame locks. They have deep carry pocket clips. Open chassis, except for the spacer in the bottom. A little bit of jimping on top of the blade, as you can see right here. Makes it a little easier to hold. Usable choil, we like that, for that precision cutting or close-up cutting. They are 7.5 inches overall. The blade length is 3 1/4. It's a very standard when it comes to size. Handle length is 4 1/4. I did mention it was titanium. Comes in several colors. Pocket clip is tip up. I do not think I mentioned that. The pocket clips are also anodized titanium. If you look at them, you can see there is a design from the anodization. Not sure if the carbon, the carbon fiber has one also. Of course, they are manual flippers. Nice little sound when you open them there. Easy one-hand close. Whoops, one too many. Oh, I just noticed there's some jimping on the bottom of the flipper, which would be the top of the flipper over here. Overall, very nice knives. I like these a lot. The handle thickness on these knives are only 0.4. So it's a very slim knife. Let's go ahead and show you how these cut. Wow, I like these little frame locks. Very nice. Yes, we're going to open and close each one. Very nice. Very smooth. Nice sound when you open them. We like that a lot. Alright, so bring over some paracord and we'll show you how smooth this knife cuts. Of course, the blade is CPM S35VN. So you can see there's no fraying with that cut. Same thing there. Very nice. When it comes to precision cutting with this spear point blade, it's going to be pretty easy to just file off piece after piece after piece. And of course, Spear point blade does well with spear cutting. Very accurate. You can cut extremely thin. Overall, really like these knives. Go ahead and clean up there a little bit. So being that these are S35VN and titanium, these knives still come in at about $150. That is not bad at all. I think maybe like 157. I can't remember exactly, but we like that a lot. So you get a nice S35 titanium handle and S35VN blade for $1.50. Can't beat that. So this is the Ltd Kitefin. And we'll go ahead and bring the rest of them back over. Try not to bang them together. We don't want to damage them. Then we'll give you a close-up on the carbon fiber as we go out. So if you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. You will not be disappointed. We do weekly giveaways, as well as reviews, post pictures, you name it. If you're watching on YouTube, check out our weekly show. Subscribe to our channel. You will definitely like what you see. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.